All right, let's start off with a 5 pound. You guys see that? How is that possible? That's crazy. How strong is your hair? Today, Andre and I, we're gonna be weirdos and test how strong or how much weight can my one strand of hair handle. Andre has done some research where he has found articles stating that healthy hair can withstand up to 6.5 pounds per one strand. But then other facts on the internet state that one healthy strand of hair can withstand up to, 3.5 ounces, which converts into 100 grams. So today we're going to test it out on my hair and see how healthy and strong my hair is. We're going to test out this 5 pounder and we're going to test out another contraption that Andre created, 3.5 ounces. A wooden hanger with 2 little hair clips. One is a bigger size and the other is a mini size. We tested this out and we took out the little bottom piece, or did you even take it out?
Yeah.
Andre took out this little bottom piece to convert this into 3.5 ounces. So we're going to test out and see how strong and healthy my hair is. They say healthy hair can withstand up to an X amount of weight or poundage, but you know what really matters is how strong my hair is. I'm just kidding. Obviously,
that's what matters to me.
That's what matters.
My hair is stronger than your hair.
So what is your guess? 6.5 pounds or 0.22 pounds? What is it? Obviously, it's this one. Or is it somewhere in between? Obviously, there are a lot of variables depending what kind of hair you have, the texture, the thickness. Mine is fine and it's thin, so obviously it's not going to be the strongest, but who knows? Maybe I have some kind of magical hair. All right, let's start off with a 5 pound. All right, let's find like longer layers. All right, this seems good enough. All right, so we got the one piece of hair.
Wrap this around my finger so it's...
All right, ready? Pull it through. I literally don't think they can see anything.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys see that? So we have this bungee cord around the hair, or underneath, and I'm gonna start lowering it. Yeah, I barely let it go. No. How is that possible? That's crazy. That fact was true. My hair withstood the 5 pounds. No, it did not. It snapped before I could even lower it. Like I said, I would love to meet that person that could withstand 6.5 pounds on one piece of hair. Now let's move on to an actual real test that I think might work. Let's try the 3.5 ounces and see if my hair will hold on to this cool little contraption with a hanger. Who thinks it can?
Seems pretty light.
It seems light enough. I feel like my hair could withstand it. 3.5 ounces. All right, let's test it out. Okay. Wrap it around your finger. Okay, I can definitely see it in the mirror, so that's good. Okay, and then I'm gonna hang this.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Good?
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm letting it go.
Go.
Ooh! Look at that, it's holding on! All right, ready?
No.
No? Wow, it's holding on. Look at that. Let me swing it. It's still holding on, you guys. Ooh, there it is. Nice. It held on pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. And it does snap like right in the middle where it's holding on. That's really cool. So what was the point of this video? I honestly just wanted to see if my hair was somewhat healthy, and I'm so happy that it's somewhat healthy. Because they do say on the interweb that your entire head of hair can hold up to 2 elephants. I don't know how big of an elephant or how small of an elephant, but up to 2 elephants. So what would that be in poundage? So at least 12 tons. That's a lot. That's a lot of pounds on your head of hair. So hair is somewhat strong. That's really awesome. So what do you think? Do you think your hair could withstand 2 elephants? That sounds so funny. I'm trying to visualize it right now. That would be insane. And now I pass it on to you guys. How strong do you think your hair is? Literally just take one of these. Maybe not the same contraption, but very similar wooden hanger. It should be around roughly 3.5 ounces, maybe a little more, maybe less, depending on the wood your hanger is composed out of. But if you want, record it and tag me or send me a personal DM on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see how healthy your hair is. But leave your guesses down below. This was definitely really fun. Thank you for spending time with me. This was definitely a lot of fun. I really like these types of videos. Thank you, Andre, for assisting me. You're the best. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.